Welcome to this video guide on how to use reviews to increase your WooCommerce conversion rates. 1. Showcase social proof on product pages. First, go to CusRev settings and disable the default review snippet. Then open CusRev settings. Review extensions. And enable the review summary bar option. Return to the product page and notice the difference. Now there's a clear visual summary with average rating and total reviews. Scroll down to show full reviews under the product. 2. Use review snippets in email marketing. Open CusRev settings. Review reminder, email templates. Choose a template and scroll to the message field. Insert a short review snippet manually. Optionally, add star ratings or a customer photo. Preview the final version using the Send Test Email button. Highlight Verified Reviewer badges. On a product with reviews, go to CusRev settings, Review extensions. Find the Verified Owner label field and change the text, for example, to Real Buyer. You can also adjust the style if needed. Show how this new badge appears next to reviewer names, increasing trust. 4. Create a review carousel or video review gallery. Edit your homepage or reviews page with Elementor. Add a shortcode widget and paste. CusRev_reviews_slider. Preview the result. A scrolling carousel of customer reviews with optional photos or names. 5. Leverage negative or constructive reviews. In WooCommerce, reviews find a constructive review. For example, something with feedback on sizing. Click to open it and add a vendor response. Explain the improvement made in response to the feedback. Save and preview how both the review and your reply appear on the product page.